Hello Expedition Explorers, welcome to the farmyard where toddlers embark on an exciting expedition to discover farm animals and insects. Join us for a delightful journey filled with laughter, learning and hands-on exploration. Meet adorable farm animals such as cows. Toddlers will have the opportunity to interact with these friendly creatures, learning their names, sounds and facts. Let's go! The graceful stride of camels. Camels have a remarkable ability to find their way across vast, featureless deserts. Camels can drink large amounts of water in one go when it's available, storing it in their bloodstream. Their long legs help them walk on sand, and their broad, tough feet prevent sinking. The amazing journeys of reindeer. Reindeer are well adapted to survive in harsh Arctic conditions, including extreme cold temperatures and limited food availability. Reindeer are known for their long-distance migrations. They can cover hundreds of miles in search of food, often moving in large herds. Navigating the unique lives of panda. Despite being classified as carnivores, pandas have a diet that is primarily herbivorous. Pandas are generally solitary animals, with adult males and females coming together primarily during the breeding season. A deep dive into the lives of these graceful llama. Llamas have been traditionally used as pack animals in the Andes. Carrying goods over rough and mountainous terrain, llamas have a soft and woolly coat that can come in various colors including white, brown and shades of grey. Understanding the social lives of goats. Goats are hardy animals that can adapt to a variety of climates and terrains. They are often found in diverse environments. Goats can be used for vegetation control. Their grazing habits can help manage overgrown vegetation. Goats are milk producers. Unlocking the mysterious charm of cats. Cats are territorial animals and they mark their territory by rubbing their scent glands on objects, including their owners. Cats have highly flexible spines, allowing them to twist and turn their bodies in midair, and cats have remarkable reflexes. Understanding the story of sheep. A lamb is a young sheep that is less than 1 year old. Once a sheep reaches 1 year of age, it is referred to as a sheep. Sheep are found all over the world and are raised for various purposes in different climates and environments. Sheep have a good memory. Unveiling the chicken life cycle. While domesticated chickens are not known for their flying abilities, they can fly short distances and perch on low branches or roost. Chickens come in a variety of feather colors and patterns. Some breeds have striking plumage while others are more subdued. Jumping for joy, a celebration of frogs. Frogs are amphibians, meaning they can live both in water and on land. They start their life as tadpoles in water and undergo metamorphosis to become adult frogs. Frogs can be found in a variety of environments, including forest, Join us as we encounter the graceful cow. Cows are herbivores and primarily graze on grass and other plants. They have a complex digestive system with 4 stomachs, allowing them to break down tough plant materials. Cows are social animals that form close bonds with other members of their herd. Unmasking the mystic of donkeys. Donkeys are known for their hardness and ability to adapt to different environments. Donkeys have been traditionally used for various tasks, including carrying loads, plowing fields, and providing transportation. On average, donkeys can live for 25 to 30 years. Navigating the world of pet rabbits. There are over 60 different breeds of domestic rabbits, each with its own unique characteristic. Rabbits are excellent jumpers and can leap up to 3 feet in the air. They have powerful hind legs that enable them to make swift escapes from predators. The grand introduction to elephants. Elephants are the largest land animals on earth. Elephants are highly social animals, living in family groups led by a matriarch, usually the oldest and most experienced female. Encounter with the striped marvel, the zebra. Zebras are herbivores and mainly graze on grass. They have adapted to feed on a variety of grass species. Zebras are native to Africa and are found in various habitats, including savannas, grasslands, and open woodlands. The fascinating ecology of snakes. Not all snakes are venomous. There are around 3,000 species of snakes, and only about 600 of them are venomous. Venomous snakes use their venom for hunting and self-defense. Let's move on to the next animal, moose. Wolves and bears are among the primary predators of moose, especially calves. Adult moose are formidable and can defend themselves against most predators. Moose are herbivores and primarily feed on a diet of aquatic plants, leaves, bark, and twigs. Our next unique creature is honeybee. Honeybees are social insects and live in colonies consisting of 3 main castes: queen, worker bees, and drones. Honeybees are renowned for their production of honey by collecting nectar from flowers. Honeybees are critical pollinators. Get ready for the buzz on horseflies. Horseflies are robust, large flies known for their size and noisy flight. They are typically between 1.4 to 1 inch in length. Horseflies are found in various habitats worldwide, including forest, grassland, and near bodies of water. Unraveling the mysteries of ladybug behavior. Ladybugs are voracious predators, primarily feeding on small insects like aphids, mites, and other soft-bodied pests. They are considered beneficial to agriculture as they help control pest populations. Ladybugs are equipped with a defense mechanism called reflex bleeding. The Leopard Gecko adventure begins. Leopard geckos are generally silent and they communicate through body language and pheromones rather than vocalizations. In the wild, leopard geckos primarily feed on insects and other invertebrates. Admiring the delicate dance of butterflies. Butterflies come in various sizes. The wingspan can range from as small as half an inch to as large as 12 inches, depending on the species. Some butterfly species like the monarch butterfly are known for their long distance migration. Let's explore the last animal, the majestic horse. Horses are strict herbivores, meaning they only eat plant-based diets. Their digestive system is adapted to process fibrous plant material efficiently. Horses are known for their sensitivity and emotional intelligence. The fastest recorded speed of a horse is around 55 miles per hour. Thank you for watching Farm Animals and Insects Expedition for Toddlers episode. Subscribe now for the fun-filled adventure of Farmyard Fun, where toddlers can learn, play, and explore with farm animals and insects. Let's embark on an expedition of discovery together. Until the next muddy adventure, bye bye little explorers.